also known as Airplane Jane. And that's right, you guys see the NSX behind me. That is the next supercar joining our family of Lexus and Acura models. We are going to get the 2021 model. We already put down the deposit for it, and you guys have to check out this little clip of me doing the launch control. It's an amazing, amazing car. But first of all, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on that notification, and turn up that thumbs up to go ahead and show me that you like the videos. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please put them down below and I'll be happy to answer any other questions outside of the trading world. So the NSX, amazing car. 2 electric engines with a gas engine gives it that possibility to go into stealth mode where it's silent, or you can go ahead and turn on that growl like a big supercar. Now, the reason why we're waiting for 2021 is because we are looking for that exterior refresh that's gonna happen, but that might be delayed. Why is it delayed? Well, there was a ransomware attack that happened with Honda, so a lot of their production has been slowed down a little bit with the ransomware attack, as well as the COVID delays. So there's a chance that our car might be delayed until 2022. Now you might be saying, Jane, it's 2020. Why are you talking about 2021? Well, in Canada, there's only about 6 models that are released every year. So you have to pre-order them for the entire country because there's not that many that are sold. So we've already put down our pre-order for 2021. However, we might push it back because we do want to see that refresh happen with the interior, as well as potentially an extra 30 to 40 horsepower with the engine to go ahead and boost it over 600 horsepower. Now, this car is just amazing. Had the ability to go on the track at Tremblant that you guys saw earlier in that launch control video. And let me tell you, this car sticks to the road. I got the chance to drive it next to a McLaren. Sloppy, absolutely sloppy. It's made for a larger person. I'm a bit smaller with 5'4" as my height. I could barely reach the pedals. That's not a very universal car. It's made for that taller gentleman, in my opinion. And it's got more of that name badge. Now, we also got to drive it with a Porsche, very sloppy on the road. Went ahead and it was really squirrely around the curves and the back tires just sort of roll out from under. So for somebody that is newer to driving supercars, I mean, I learned how to fly an airplane before I knew how to drive stick. And I learned to stick on the 944 Porsche. So I've been driving Porsches my entire adult life. But this car is in a league of its own. Carpe Profit sees those profits one trade at a time.